The keys of the old typewriter clacked in the dim attic, each letter echoing louder than the last. Nora's fingers moved almost on their own, compelled by a force she couldn't explain. She had found the relic buried in a forgotten box, its brass gleaming beneath decades of dust and cobwebs. Tentatively, she typed a simple line: "Nora receives a letter." Minutes later, the mail slot snapped. A letter, addressed in her own handwriting, lay waiting on the mat. Her heart pounded as she typed again. A storm trapped Nora inside. Thunder roared, rain battered the windows, sealing her in. The air grew colder, thick with dread. Desperate, she hammered the keys. Nora is safe. Nora is happy. But the words on the page twisted, letters rearranging themselves. Nora is hunted. Nora is afraid. Shadows in the corners stretched and writhed, inching closer. She tried to yank the paper free, but the typewriter gripped it tight. "Let me go," she whispered, voice trembling. The carriage slid, typing on its own. Nora cannot leave. The attic door slammed shut. The shadows lunged. Her scream echoed, then silence. The next morning, the typewriter sat alone, a fresh page in place, for the next writer.